Hi, let me show you how to transfer contacts from iPhone to Android with the help of Gmail. So for that, on your iPhone, firstly open Settings. Now scroll all the way down and find Apps. So in the app list, find Contacts, of course, and make sure to select Contacts Accounts. So right now, I want you to click on Add Account, then pick Google, and select and enter data about your Google account which you're planning to use on Android phone as well. So enter your email or phone number, then hit Next and enter your password. And after that, you should see the section Gmail in your Contacts Accounts setting. So if you select it, then make sure to enable contacts right here so the switch is green. Now take your Android phone, also go in its settings, and here scroll a bit down to find accounts and backup or something similar. Click on Manage Accounts, then scroll down, click Add Account, and as we did before, pick Google to enter your PIN code first, then your email or phone number, and then your password. My account is already added, so this is how it looks. You need to select this account, go in this section Sync Account, and make sure to turn on synchronization for contacts. And that's it. After this step, you should see all of your contacts from iPhone on your Android device. That's all for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.